Hey Anika,
Hi sir.
how is everything else?
All well sir. How are you?
I'm doing fine. What's up? Something new today?
Nothing much sir. Today I'm going to meet a customer. So we are going to get the order today for cybersecurity awareness.
Oh, great. All the best. So nice of you.
Sir, I have one curiosity. I always keep seeing you drinking black tea. Why is
Yeah, let me put in a cyber security language. See, milk and sugar are like a malware attachment for me.
Oh.
I prefer plain emails.
Good to know that, sir.
How?
Good one to the way you have put it.
Oh yes. Sugar and milk I try to avoid. I'm not that young like you, right?